Yeah.
Look at that. That is a beautiful shot from West Sacramento. Looking out over the city. It looks a little sunny, reflective out there. You can kind of see, but what a great day it's going to be. So after the show, not now, get out there and make it a great day. Well, it's one of the world's most colorful and exuberant events showcasing Chinese culture and heritage. So what a better way to celebrate than when the largest festival in all of California. Tina is standing by with a preview of today's Chinese New Year celebration.
Yeah, you know, I love when bands, musicians, singers come on the show, especially on the weekend. Jan Zing is here. What is this group here?
Oh, this is the music ensemble. We are the Davis Splash Music Ensemble. We're going to be performing this afternoon at the Chinese.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry about him.
Okay.
He's just mumbling. Okay.
So we are going to an event that's the big Chinese New Year celebration event this afternoon.
Oh, good.
Actually, it starts at noon today.
Okay.
And yeah, so it is at the Hiram Johnson High School.
Okay, one question. What is this called?
Oh, this is the Chinese peepaw. And
Peepaw.
It's peepaw, yeah. It's
Can you
it's
just drum it here?
we have 4 strings.
And you have...
And I have fake nails because we have to
Oh.
use this. These are steel strings.
Yeah.
We cannot use our own nails.
Oh.
They're going to be broken.
So then you gotta... It's really... Okay. So we have peepaw, and what else?
And,
Are there
we have erhu, that's Chinese instrument as well. And
Hold
also
that one up. No, what is that one called? You said?
Erhu.
Erhu?
2 string erhu. Yeah.
Okay, right there.
Erhu,
That
right
one.
over
2
there.
strings.
Yeah. And it's Chinese version of violin.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have 2 violins. The 2 boys,
Uh-huh.
they're playing violins. And the girl who's playing the viola.
Okay.
And then she has the drummer. You know,
Okay. Sounds good. Ready to play?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Let's hear ya.